In today's video, I am going to show you how you can download all the applications directly to your SD card instead of internal storage. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to download all your applications to your SD card instead of internal storage, then what you have to do is to go to your phone settings, go to My Phone, scroll down, and here you will see this build number option. So all you have to do is to tap 7 times on it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You have now entered the developers mode, so go back, click on the search option, and in the search bar type developers option, click on developers option. Now scroll down, and here you will see this option force allow apps on external. So all you have to do is to enable it. And that's it. After this, any application you download will automatically be downloaded on your SD card instead of internal storage. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.